In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not letting me print. We will walk through a couple of simple things you can do, even if this is your first time dealing with Canva printing issues. First, refresh Canva. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R if you are on Windows, or Command and R if you are on a Mac. When you do this, the Canva page reloads and pulls a fresh version of your design from the server. You will see the Canva editor briefly go blank, then your design will reappear, along with the top toolbar and the menu on the left side. A quick refresh like this often clears small glitches that can block the print option from working as expected. Once the page has fully reloaded, give it a second to finish, especially if your internet is slow or your design has many images. Once that is done, try printing again. Look at the top right of the Canva screen where your usual options appear and use the same print option you tried before. When the print window opens, check that your printer is listed and that a preview of your design appears. If it was a temporary issue, your design should now send to the printer without an error. A helpful detail here is that if the preview still looks blank or Canva shows an error, the problem is probably beyond a simple refresh, so the next method usually helps more. Next up, download your design first, then print. Click the Share button near the top right of Canva, then choose Download from the menu that opens. When the download panel appears on the left or in the center, you will see a file type dropdown with several choices. This panel is where Canva prepares a file that your computer and printer can handle more reliably than printing straight from the browser. Many beginners overlook that the download file can be higher quality and more stable than direct printing, especially for large designs. After that, save your design as PDF Print Best Quality or PDF Standard. In the file type dropdown, choose PDF Print if you want the sharpest result for things like posters or handouts, or choose PDF Standard if you want a smaller file, for example for simple worksheets. When you pick one, Canva may briefly show a progress bar as it prepares the file, and then your browser will save it to your usual downloads folder. As a small tip, PDF Print often produces heavier files, so if your computer feels slow, PDF Standard can work better and still look good. With the file saved, open the PDF with your PDF viewer and print from there. This might be the built-in viewer on your computer or a program like Adobe Acrobat Reader. When the PDF opens, you should see each page of your Canva design exactly as it will print. Use the print option inside that viewer, choose your printer, set the number of copies and any page settings, then send it to the printer. Printing from a PDF viewer usually avoids browser issues and gives more consistent results. You have now refreshed Canva and learned how to download your design as a PDF and print it reliably. If this helped you finally get your Canva design on paper, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you like tips like this, feel free to subscribe.